Hi, I'm Jake, and I'm the inventor of Wake Hydro Alarm Clock. This here is the Wake Hydro Mini Edition, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to set your alarm to go to bed, how to wake up with it in the morning, and then the different user settings that you can use to adjust and dial the clock in exactly to how you like it. So let's get right to it. For a demonstration, I have the alarm set to go off at 10:39 a.m. And when that happens, I'm going to have to drink this entire glass of water to get it to turn off. Now, something to point out is whenever you're setting your clock, make sure to take notice to the PM dot if you have it in 12-hour mode. You want to make sure you don't set your alarm to go off at night instead of the morning. Now the alarm's going off. I'll have to drink this glass of water to get it to stop. And if I set that back down and it still has water in it, it keeps buzzing. The idea is by taking the time to drink the water, it gets you over that hump of wanting to hit the snooze button. And the alarm turns off. Now, it did activate a snooze, and so however long you have your snooze duration set for, that's how long it's going to wait until it starts to buzz again. And all you have to do to turn off the snooze is hit this button right here, but I'll show you here in a second how to do it. So now the alarm's going off after I've already had the water. This is in a snooze mode. So to get it to stop snoozing after you drink the water is hit the button. That's it. And whenever you're ready to get up and get your day started, to deactivate your alarm completely, all you have to do is take the glass and remove it from the alarm clock. And now the alarm's off. Now I already teared this glass to the alarm clock, but if you need to know how to do that, I'll cover that later on in the video on tearing the glass. So the glass is teared. I have my alarm time set for 7 a.m. on this particular clock. And to set the alarm, all you have to do is take your water, fill up your glass. You need at least 4 ounces of water. So that should be enough to activate the alarm. Right there, alarm set, 7 a.m. And then right here, there is a night light or an indicator light that shines onto your glass, and that allows you to know that the alarm is set. There's also a little dot right here where it says PM, so that's the PM indicator, and then this is your alarm indicator showing that it's on. So at 7 a.m., this alarm will start going off, and at that point in time, I will have to drink all the water and put the empty glass back down on it for it to stop making noise. The Wake Hydro Mini has 9 user settings. You can access them by rotating the knob clockwise. They are alarm time for changing your alarm, clock time for changing the time of the clock, tear for tearing off your glass, snooze for adjusting your snooze duration, 24-hour for 24-hour mode or 12-hour mode, LED, which controls the brightness of the display, LED 2, which controls the brightness of the night light, which is the indicator that your alarm is on, color, which changes the color of the night light, as well as fade, and fade will change the color of the night light throughout the night, a cool little effect. So to change your alarm time, go to alarm, press the button. So right now it's set for 4:30. Let's change it to 7. So we're going to rotate to change the hour, press the button again, and we'll change the minute. We'll take it to 7 a.m. Right there. And now the alarm is set for 7 a.m. And it'll keep doing that 7 a.m. every morning unless I change it. So you don't have to set your alarm time every night. If you want to change the clock time, go to clock time, and let's say it's 10:30. So we already have the 10 in there. So let's press the button again, change the minute, press it down, and now your clock time is set. To tear your glass, just take your glass, make sure it's empty, place it on the Wake Hydro and then press tear. Make sure you get your hands away, that way it doesn't affect the weight. And sometimes I do it twice just to make sure, it's good. You can take that off. To change your snooze duration, click snooze. Right now I have snooze set for 1 minute, but let's make that 5 minutes. To change, let's see what's next. 24-hour time. If you click it and switch to from 12 to 24. If this was in the afternoon, now would be in 24-hour time, but it's only 10:30 a.m. here. I'm going to take it back to 12-hour time. And it's pretty simple to do that. It's all done by rotating the knob here and pressing down. To change the brightness of the display, just click LED, and then rotating it counterclockwise makes it more dim. Clockwise makes it brighter. And then for LED 2, I'm going to put the glass here so you'll kind of see a reflection of it. If I click that here, right now the brightness is really low. I can turn that up, and maybe you can see, but it's much brighter now. I made it so the light is the adjustable brightness. That way, it's not too bright for you while you sleep. But it is nice when you wake up to be able to have it shining on your glass and you can kind of see in the dark. Like that. And then if we want to change color, just click color, and then as you begin to rotate the knob, the color of the RGB LED, the NeoPixel, will change. I'm not sure if you can see that on the camera or not. And then the last one is fade. So by clicking that, you can either have it on or off. I like having it on, and then it does kind of nice little effect. Every minute throughout the night, it'll cycle through all the colors of the NeoPixel. So it's kind of cool, a nice little effect there. And that's how to use the Wake Hydro Mini. I hope you enjoy yours, and I hope it helps you establish a better morning routine and eliminate any snoozing habits.